Hi, and welcome to another How to Thursday. Today, we are going to talk about book covers. Let's dive in. Want to create a book cover that flies off the shelves? Let's break down the secrets to making your cover truly eye-catching. First, think of your cover like a movie poster. It needs to tell a story and set the mood in a single glance. Is it a thrilling mystery? A heartwarming romance? Use colors and imagery that instantly communicate your genre. Bold, high-contrast colors grab attention, while softer, more muted tones can suggest something more introspective or historical. Next, typography is key. Your title needs to be clear and readable, even as a tiny thumbnail online. Choose a font that reflects the book's personality. Is it elegant and classic, or modern and bold? Make it the star of the show. Finally, less is often more. Avoid cluttering your cover with too many elements. A single, powerful image or a striking graphic design can be far more effective than a busy scene. Remember, you want to pique curiosity, not give everything away. Experiment with these tips, and you'll be on your way to a cover that readers can't resist. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.